Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, we will learn OOPS concepts from the scratch. This is Java OOPS programming session number 41. Types of inheritance in Java programming overview. If you are confident about learning, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more update, and please click the bell icon and select all notifications. Don't choose personalized option, you may miss some session updates. Let's get started. Prerequisite, please watch the session number 31 to 40 and then attend this session, then only you can able to understand, because you can easily understand without watching that session number 31 to 40 in exam point of view. Okay, so in academics it's not a big deal. So 31 to 40, session number 31 to 40 is not that much required. If you're getting the project or placement at that time, you should know what's the purpose of inheritance, where we are using, why we should prefer this inheritance. So all these things we will discuss in a detailed manner. Okay, then only you'll take a deep understanding about the inheritance concept. In future, you won't have any doubt like why I'm using this inheritance. So this is the prerequisite. I hope you all watched that video. Session number 31 to 40 is available in our playlist, and then move on to this session number 41. So today's agenda will discuss about the types of inheritance in Java. Pictorial representation alone we'll discuss today. Okay, so single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical, multiple inheritance is not supported in Java programming through class. We'll discuss why it is not supported in the forthcoming sessions. And then fifth one is hybrid inheritance, combination of single, multi-level, hierarchical. Multiple is not supported, so you should avoid that inheritance. Remaining will be a combination, and at last we calling it as a hybrid inheritance. So first one by one we'll discuss types of inheritance. Single inheritance. First one is single inheritance. So this class A is called as the Java programming. What's the special name? Already we discussed in the session number 32. So this class is called as the class A is called as the parent class or base class in C++. In Java we having a special name that is called as the super class. What's the name? Super class. Class B is called as the child class or derived class, or in Java special name what is that? Subclass. So subclass class B inherits the properties of class A, that is a parent class or super class or base class, all are same meaning. Okay, class B inherits the properties of class A, that is subclass inherits the properties of superclass by the keyword extends. So one superclass and then one subclass, or one parent class and then one child class. Child class inherits the properties of parent class. It is called as single inheritance. Next, multi-level inheritance. We can clearly note down this. So up to class A and class B. Okay, up to class B. From starting from class A up to class B, just assume this portion alone. Don't see that class C. So it looks like a single inheritance. I mean, it looks like a single inheritance. Additionally, we are adding few more classes. So class A and class B. Here, class A is the super class and parent class of class B. Am I right? So class A is a parent class of class B. So class B is a child class or subclass. So now this subclass or a child class is going to act as a parent class for class C. Okay, now a class C is a subclass, class B is a superclass, or class C is a child class, class B is a parent class now. So multi-level inheritance means more than one subclasses are available. More than one subclasses are available. Or we can call it as a chain of inheritance. What is my chain? Continuous one. So chain of inheritance, single, and then one more class we are adding, that is called as a multi-level inheritance. So child class is going to act as a parent class for another child class. So this is called as a multi-level inheritance. So here class B is here already a child class. Now it is going to act as a parent class or super class for Class C, subclass or child class. Third one, hierarchical inheritance. So hierarchical inheritance, it looks like a tree structure. So one parent class and then two child class will be maintained. This order will be maintained. This is what hierarchical inheritance. It looks like a tree structure. It will maintain two parent, that is two child class have one parent class. Two child class have one parent class. Looks like a tree structure. Fourth one, multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance in the important interview question, it is not supported in Java programming through class concept, but it is supported through interface. The forthcoming session will discuss why it is not supported, what's the reason behind that. Okay, now just try to understand. Okay, multiple inheritance looks like this structure. Class A, class B. So one child have two parent class. So one subclass class C have the two parent class. Subclass C have the two parent class or superclass class A and class B. Class A and class B. So class C inherits the properties and methods of class A and class B. I hope you are clear with this. So class A is a superclass of class C, class B is a superclass of class C. This is not supported. This problem is also called as a what is a diamond problem? It is also called as a diamond problem. Okay, we'll discuss in a separate session. Okay, as of now, just try to understand multiple inheritance is not supported in Java programming through class concept. In hybrid inheritance, you should be clear with this. It is a combination of single or multi-level or single or hierarchical or multi-level and then hierarchical. So any combination it will be treated as a hybrid inheritance because hybrid means combination. Okay, here hybrid inheritance means combination of single or multi-level or hierarchical inheritance. That is what they are clearly mentioning. Java allows hybrid inheritance as long as each class has, mark my word important one, each class has only one parent. Why means here if they are allowing two parent, then it will be treated as a multiple inheritance. So it is not supported. That's the reason multiple inheritance supports only one parent. Okay, as long as each class has only one parent. I hope you clear this. In the next session, we'll discuss about the single inheritance, multi-level hierarchical, multiple inheritance in a hands-on manner. If you found the session useful, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more update, and please share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.